Wendy Shay's concert female lead has finally been identified. Her name is Mary. She explains that the back of her skirt had no zipper, so it would have been impossible for her to do the things people claimed. She said she didn't know the man at all, they did not go together, and there was no inappropriate behavior between them. The rumors at the concert and the interpretations online were completely false. This was the moment that went viral, the one described as the boldest moment ever caught at a concert. A couple appeared to be overly intimate and stole everyone's attention as the music reached its peak at Wendy Shay's show. With the crowd watching, their movements looked too close, too intense, and quickly became the center of online controversy. When Mary was asked if she felt hurt by the comments online, she replied, she doesn't care. She's used to people commenting on whatever they want, and she won't be broken by insults or internet pressure. The female lead of the video herself came forward to speak, explaining that she had not engaged in any crossing the boundary behavior and that it was all a misunderstanding. What do you think about this matter?